Let's talk about the recently launched Vivo smartphone Y17s, with trendy design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.56-inch HD plus water drop notch display, with resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 83.8% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 269 ppi pixel density, and with 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with the 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel wide-angle camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 13 screen on top of the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 6GB of extended RAM, and 128GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB of dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.74 by 75.43 by 8.09 mm, and it weighs around 186 grams, and the color options glitter purple, forest green, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port, and with IP5X dust and IPX4 water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y17s has been priced in Pakistan for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 44,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y17s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.